These are the elevators. At Lynn, Pippenger Hall, or Pippenger, I'm not sure which. USF St. Pete, Florida. Seeing blue on a Kone elevator is really weird. Let's go to one. I feel like it looks just like the Otis or ThyssenKrupp newer fixtures. So normally Kone makes the lights either orange or white. This is the first time I've ever seen blue. Let's go to 4. This is the College of Business original certificate. We're going to send that one down and get the other elevator. Let's go to 1. This one has a certificate that's past expiration, August 2024. I'm filming this in September of 2024. Let's go for one more ride. It's a pretty fast door. And let's end it down to 1.